Hello, everyone. My name is Empish Thomas, and I am a screen reader user using specifically JAWS. And JAWS stands for Job Access with Speech. It's made by a company called Freedom Scientific, and what it does is text to speech. So if there's a website or a Windows operating system like Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint, it will read the text on the screen. If there's an audio description for a graphic on a website, it will read that information as well. Today, I am going to use JAWS to navigate a demonstration of a website. You will hear my voice and the computer speaking to me, and you will see the screen scroll as I navigate. Let's get started. I'm about to do a demo of a website to check for accessibility. Whenever I come to a website on the internet, I will hit Control and Home
Medical
to
Hospital.
go up to the top of the page. And the reason I do that is as pages load, the JAWS and the PC cursor can get out of whack. And I want to make sure I have good orientation. So I always do Control Home to take me back up to the top. I'll also hit Insert and
Title
T
is
to
Medical
read the
Hospital
title
dash
bar to also make sure that I'm on the right page and in the right location. All of this is for orientation purposes. As I go down the website,
This website
sometimes
is
I will
AudioEye
arrow
may
down
require the
line by
use of same
line
page list of
just to
3
get an
items.
idea
Link
of what's
Facebook.
on the page. So I'm going to do that now. Just a simple arrow down with the
Link
arrow
LinkedIn.
keys.
Link YouTube.
And the first part I'm seeing are the social media
List
handles
end.
for this
Welcome to
particular
Medical
website.
Hospital and
And
Specialty
then I
Care.
see the welcome message at the top
Link
here.
Patient Portal.
And I'm
Visited
going to
link
keep
graphic
arrowing
medical same
down
page link
just to
lines.
get an idea of what the
Wellness.
website is talking
Heading
about.
level 2 compassionate. Heading level 2 care when you need IT. Link
Okay.
makeup. Link
I'm
pay
just gonna
bill.
keep
Total
airing
care.
a little
Heading level
bit.
2 community
I'm
based.
noticing that
Heading
this is a
level 2 mental
medical type
wellness.
related
Patient
site.
support. Link community. Link contact wellness. Heading
Okay.
level 2 compassionate. Heading level 2 care when you link make link.
To hit Control Home to go back up
Medical
to the
hospital.
top, and I'm going to use some of the JAWS shortcut key commands. The first one I like to use is H, which is for heading. So as I press H, JAWS will jump me to each heading on the website.
Compassionate care heading
So the
level
first one
2.
is compassionate care.
Community-based mental
Second one is
wellness heading level 2.
community-based.
Compassionate care heading level 2.
And then we'll keep going until I check
Community-based mental
all of the
wellness heading level
headings.
2.
It looks like there's 2 headings on
Compassionate
this
care
page.
heading level 2.
So I'm going to go back up to
Community-based mental wellness
community-based
heading
mental
level 2. Heading
wellness,
level 2 mental wellness. Patient support
and then
groups.
arrow down to read
Link
about
community
that
services.
information.
Link contact US. Prev.
Okay.
Next. 01. Providing heading level 1. Welcome to Medica. Excellence in healthcare are dedicated from
And I'm
advanced
just
diagnosis
arrowing
life
down a
for
little bit more to
community
get
heading
more
level 2
idea of what's
emergency
on the
treatment.
website.
Staff 24 wide range. Link read more.
Okay.
Heading level 2 high quality laboratory.
Now, sometimes what I'll also do with the website, especially if it's one where I need to sign in or use a password,
First name
I'll
edit.
hit E for
Line.
edit, which will take me to an edit box. And on this side, it took me to one that said first name. I'm not sure exactly what I'm signing up for, why it wants my first name. So I'm going to
First
arrow
name.
up
Combo
to
box
get more
collapse
information and
select
see what
doctor
this is about.
Select doctor. Combo box
Okay.
collapse select
Okay, this
department
is a search that seems to want you to search for a
select
doctor.
department. Combo
And you can
box
select different
select
things here.
select location.
Select
Combo
location,
box select
select
department.
the
Combo
department, that
select
sort
combo
of a thing.
first name edit, last edit, email edit, phone number edit, message, required edit, request appointment button.
Okay, those edit boxes are for me to send an email to request an appointment to see the
Heading
doctor.
level 2 latest
So
news and
that's what that
research. The
is.
medical
I'm going
wellness
to
blogging.
also use
Medical
B for
hospital.
radio buttons to see if any of those are on the site. So I'm going to press B.
Request appointment button.
Okay, request an appointment. That's a radio button.
Button.
And then
Edit.
there's another
Button.
button
List of
here
3
that I'm not
items.
quite sure.
Link accessibility.
Okay,
Link
that
book an
talks about
appointment. Link
booking an
list of
appointment
button. Edit.
accessibility.
Email. Edit button.
That
List of
might be
3
a submit
items.
button.
Link accessibility. Link book an
And then there's
appointment.
other buttons
Link terms.
here. I'm going to
Explore your
press again.
accessibility options button.
And then there's option. Oh, explore your accessibility options. That's a good thing.
Explore your accessibility. Wrapping to top.
Okay, and those
Request
are all the
appointment button.
buttons that are on this
Medical
particular
hospital.
site. One other thing I'll do when I go to a website is look for links, and I will press insert and
Links list dialog. Links list view.
insert F7
Links list dialog.
will bring up
links
a links list.
View. Skip to main content.
And it will be
Home.
all the links that are on
Skip
the
to
website.
Facebook.
These links
2 of
are
55.
typically in
LinkedIn.
alphabetical
3 of
order.
55.
So
Facebook.
the first one
2
was
of skip to main Facebook.
first one was
2 of
Facebook,
55.
social media,
LinkedIn. 3 of
LinkedIn,
YouTube. 4 of patient portal.
patient
5
portal.
of Medical hospital.
And then I can also, if I know the name of the link, I can just press the button. So since I know Facebook
Skip to
is a
main
link,
F.
I can hit
Facebook.
F.
2
It'll
of
take
55.
me straight to Facebook. And it says 2 of 55. And what that means is I'm on the second link on the web page, and there are 55 other links on this website. So
LinkedIn.
it's easier
3
to,
of
like, if you
55.
know the name of the link, to press it in alphabetical order, or if you
YouTube.
don't, you can
Patient
arrow
portal.
down
Medical
to
hospital,
it. Now, what you
established
can also
1890.
do is I can press enter. That will open up another page from that link in the links list, or I can press
Move to
tab
link button.
and move to the link.
Press
So maybe I
spacebar,
just want to
period.
move
Alt
to it,
plus
but I
M.
don't want to launch it.
Activate link button.
I can
To
activate the
press
link,
spacebar. Cancel button.
or I can hit
To activate,
cancel,
press
and I'll
spacebar,
hit
period.
cancel
Alt
to
plus
get out of
space.
that. One other shortcut key command you can use with JAWS is visited link and unvisited link. So if you want to look back at the links you've been to on a particular website, you can hit the letter V, and it will take you to a visited, and JAWS will say visited and then the name of the link. So here on this page, it said visited
link Facebook.
So that tells me that I have visited the Facebook page. Now, if I want to get a list of the links that I have not visited, I can press
page
U,
link number nav.
and
Link
it will just take me through
to
all
top.
the links
Same
on the
link,
page
skip to
that
main
I have
content.
not visited. And of course, it will not say visited, so that tells me that that was an unvisited link. Sometimes when I'm on a website and I want to find a particular word or phrase, and I don't want to use the other key commands like radio buttons or headers, or the links list, I will do what they call a virtual find. And that command is Control and F.
Find.
An edit box will pop up saying find
to
what,
set the value,
and I will type the word in. So I'm going to type in the word bill. Press enter.
Enter. Visited link pay bill.
And it took me back to the visited link that says pay bill.
Total care.
So I'm right
Visited
there
link
where I
pay
needed
bill.
to be. So that's another way to find things on a website. This is a good feature to use if you have a really busy website, or a website with lots of links, lots of headers, lots of radio buttons, and you just want to get to that particular section you're familiar with. I just hit insert and F, type in the keyword or the phrase, hit enter, and it will take me straight to that area. Just a way to get there a little faster. So today in this session, I went over a couple of different shortcut key commands for JAWS. We discussed the insert and T for the title bar, which is good for orientation. We also discussed H for headings, B for radio buttons, E for the edit box, and also a really cool feature that I absolutely love, the Control and F function to do a virtual find. I hope all of this information was helpful to you today, and thank you so much for listening to this presentation.